all know that it's an uh, World Music Day, so we somehow celebrate a small event among us, among our friends, and among our members. So on this hard time, we can't even uh, celebrate it in a grand way since due to the SOP given by the authority. So we have some artists and some friends who are here to join with us. So let us all wish that we could pass this year a grand way, a very successful way, and a very peaceful thought, so that we can welcome this year towards the next upcoming year. We can celebrate it on a grand, with a more successful way. So I thank each and everybody who came here to celebrate with us, our friends, some of you artists, some of band members. So I think we should uh, go with a event and let us celebrate the World Music Day. I wish everybody a World Music Day. Come on, happy. And also, we would like to thank our brother from Extreme Music Society, Chingthur Dela, for having us, for giving the venue a small place. Also, for our friends who came here and support us. So I think we all have fun. We will all have fun, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So I think we should start the event.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
So we are ready. So let us have fun. So time now to cake the cut the cake and celebrate and start the event. Right. All right. Thank you.
Look, guys. Live. For those who are watching, what Happy Music Day.
Come on, man. Yes. Got a cake.
Few words.
Yeah. It's a hard time during this lockdown.
We'll cut the cake.
Yeah. And then, yeah. Let's have fun. Celebrate this moment.
Happy music. People music. Rangna. Rana. You guys are the organizer, no?
Oh, lang people from baby girl. Tabo.
Aman, Jeremy.
Woo! Yeah. Where's the cake?
Happy birthday. Come on. We have the artists, the
Yeah.
upcoming artists. Yeah. The future. Which one?
This one.
Oh. Strawberry.
Nice. Yo, bro. Sambit. Ramu ka.
The song. Come.
Song.
Hey, song. Sing na. Come on, man. Hey, bro. चलो पेन होला प्लेट मा देनो Cameo.
Come on. Yoko, bro. Right there.
Itu dah sedih dah saya. Hey, cari doi.
One more.
Yes, hello everybody. We are here. We Extreme Music Society celebrate a small event during our time. We somehow very few of our friends just came here and celebrate this event. So hopefully we all have a good time here for the upcoming days, and each and everybody will have fun and will spread love through music. Yeah, so thank you from our Extreme Music Society. Yeah. And Jatin here will be sharing the cake. Good. Nang tiếp nang pipon đi con. Nang pipon là cái to nang đấy luôn. Original spoon bên anh lo hơn đấy, kamu. Anh cái làm spoon này ini.
Oh, check.
Boleh ya? Kau kira macam mana deh? Yang konten lu.
Last today that throw.
Where is cake? Boleh. Jangan sana.
Kurang tompian mà tóc lên buồn luôn hay cả. Tom thì tom nó
Oh, check. So the time is running out. We will proceed with our program. Some artists who came here and support us. So I will be announcing some of the artists here who will be performing. So I will announce the name. The first guy who will be performing here will be Sarshinok, and then Acoustic Q, Longbeard Teron, and then Illusion. So give them a big round of applause. Come on. And give a big round of applause for ourselves, Extreme Music Society, who hosts this event. Even in a hard time, we hopefully will overcome with some good days in the upcoming days. Right. So we have Sarshinat on the dice on the stage. So we welcome Sarshinat.
Boleh, mama lang sana ya. Cek. Woo! Anyone? Yes.